Okay, got the SIDuino here now playing off a SD card instead of off of the serial from the computer. Moved on to a breadboard here. So there's the AVR, and then those are just two op amps I was using to make the signal a little bit better. This button here lets me change the song. It simply just reads the register values off the SD card for certain songs. It doesn't actually like emulate a processor or anything. So it doesn't use the computer. It's simply standalone, and if I plug it in, you can hear it. I got rid of the LEDs because they wouldn't fit on the board here. This is playing with speakers plugged in here. Two of the oscillators are on the left, and the third is on the right. And I can sort of adjust the balance between the two with this here. If I try to balance them good, you can hear both. Like that. So let me change the song. Got a capacitor here filtering one of the audio channels. Quick demo. I've made the sound output a little bit better. I should have said this earlier. I actually used 3 PWM outputs off the microcontroller now, not just one. And so it gives each oscillator a little bit more amplitude range. So the value is a bit more precise. And of course you can select which ones you want to hear, which ones you don't want to hear, and you can adjust the volumes of specific oscillators because they come out of 3 different outputs. This is good. I want to get this working though. Having a bit of trouble with that. It is real though, I've gotten some sounds to come out. And there we are back at the beginning. Once it reaches the end, it goes back to the beginning of the files on the card. Yeah, it's not very stable. Well, every so often it will stop once it'll freeze. I don't know why. It might have something to do with how I've wired up this SD card using resistors, voltage dividers for the 3v3 levels. I don't really know, but it works pretty well. Anyway, that's about it. That's all I really have to say here.